హాయ్ వ్యూయర్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు లియో హెల్త్. ప్రస్తుతం మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు వరుణ్ అహుజా గారు. వారు వచ్చేసి ప్రాస్థోడెంటిస్ట్ అండ్ ఇంప్లాంటాలజిస్ట్. సార్ నమస్కార్, कैसे आप?
बस ठीक सर, थैंक यू.
Sir, first of all, thank you very much for your valuable time you have given us for the interview. And next, coming to dental care, sir, many of them will fear like this dental treatment is very expensive. So, is it really expensive?
I would totally disagree with you that dental treatment is expensive.
Okay.
Basically, as the saying goes, neglect is more expensive than the treatment itself.
Okay.
So that's why we recommend that you should come for a checkup every regular interval of at
Okay.
least every 6 months,
Okay.
so that every problem can be caught at the slightest of it at the start. So once we catch the problem at the start, automatically the cost of treating the problem becomes lesser.
Okay.
Now, for example, I'll just give you a small example. Now, with a small cavity,
Okay.
a general filling would hardly cost anything. But you would not visit a dentist until unless you have pain, where the
Yes.
tooth is infected completely.
Okay.
Then you have to go for a root canal, the added cost for the cap. So
Okay.
that is why if you come at the initial stage, it
Okay.
becomes easier
Okay.
for you
So-
as well as for us.
Very nice, sir. And what kind of precautions to be taken for good and healthy teeth?
See, now thanks to the new coronavirus, we are all very much come into the habit of keeping everything clean
Yes.
and hygienic.
Yes.
So, coming to the oral health also, see, it is very basic. All you need to do is brush twice,
Okay.
floss regularly,
Okay.
use a mouthwash. That will be an added advantage for keeping your oral health good.
Sir, regular periodical checkups. Actually, for every disease, everybody visit doctor twice, at least in a week actually. But when it comes to dental problems, they never visit unless it becomes more and more peculiar, like more and more severe. So, in this case, what kinds of advanced treatments are there in your toothworks?
Sir, at present, our Toothworks is a one-stop place for all your possible dental problems.
Okay.
So, from we treat everything from pediatrics to
Okay.
the old people who are the geriatrics,
Okay.
and we have all the treatments available with us. We
Okay.
have a in-house availability of all the various specializations of dentistry.
Okay.
So every treatment is done by the specialist, so you get the best output there only.
Okay.
And coming to the equipment wise, we are equipped with world class equipment with the best standards of sterilization,
Okay.
along with the latest advancements such as lasers and dental implants.
Okay.
Everything is available with us, sir.
So comparatively to like late 2090s, now the situation is completely different, sir. Most of them, even like patients, are more aware and they know like what is dental. Like previously, they have not concentrated much on this one, but now everybody is aware. So, sir, what is my question is, you are an implantologist, right? So, like if a person, like if a man doesn't have total teeth, like if in early like 50 like that, no teeth is there, so what kind of treatment available for them?
See, the replacement of teeth being my specialization,
Okay.
you can replace teeth at any point of time. There is no case where it is impossible.
Okay.
It is the matter of time and the patient's acceptance of the treatment.
Okay.
In cases where you do not have any teeth, we can place about 6 to 8 dental implants in each arch and give you a totally fixed set of teeth wherein they will be as good as your own original teeth.
Okay.
Of course, I still believe that we cannot replace nature,
Okay.
but we can at least get close to it.
Yes, exactly. Sir, in Toothworks, like is middle class man can afford in Toothworks? Is it affordable to Toothworks?
I would say even a person who cannot afford to get a dental treatment done can also walk into Toothworks
Okay.
and take a consultation from me. I would not charge him,
Okay.
because it is not that it's my profession is such that service also makes a lot of difference.
Yes.
So even a middle class man can afford my treatment. Even the most elite of Hyderabad can afford my treatment.
Sir, most of the times after teeth is affected or it is infected, a patient will be coming and contacting you and, sir, I have got this pain and you do this, I cannot bear this one bolke. So what kind of periodical checkups they need to take to avoid this kind of situations actually?
See, as mentioned, 6 monthly checkup is 100% required.
Okay.
It is a norm. Why do we say 6 months? Is because a patient within 6 months would not reach a stage where things are irreversible and requires a more invasive sort of a treatment.
Okay.
So when the treatment required is very initial,
Okay.
we can solve it out very easily.
Okay.
So you can self-check yourself also.
Okay.
That, see, 6 months is a norm given. After that, if you realize, like today, tomorrow morning, you realize there's something getting stuck into your teeth,
Yes.
or you're suddenly having some sensitivity when you're having something hot or cold.
Yes.
It may not be a cavity. I'm not saying that it will be 100% a cavity, but it is no harm to go to a doctor and get it checked.
Yes.
Because if it is a cavity, we can fill it then and there, and you can save from getting a root canal done later in life.
Okay.
So more smaller the treatment it would be,
Yes.
and easier as well.
Sir, most of them, like we see lot of people, like they met with an accident and they have got irregular teeth, and particularly teeth will be broken.
Correct.
So at that point of time, what kind of treatments are available in ToothWorks?
See, for irregular teeth, we have all treatments starting from the basic conventional braces, starting metal. We have more advanced kind of braces which include the self-ligating.
Okay.
People who are concerned about the looks can also go into the ceramic variant of it.
Okay.
And the latest advancement is of clear aligners.
Okay.
Clear aligners also, we have, our orthodontist is a certified Invisalign provider. So
Okay.
even Invisalign is available. That is the #1 company of aligners all over the world today.
Okay.
That is also we are providing through ToothWorks.
Okay.
So we treat, like I mentioned before, we treat from the basic to the most elite.
Okay.
So everything is available with us. There's nothing that I can tell you that, okay, we do not do this.
Okay. So you have got all kinds of treatments.
Everything A to Z. And when you come to broken teeth, then yes, replacements with basic metal caps to coming to the most premium 3M caps or the zirconia caps or the all ceramic caps can be done.
So, sir, actually, what is happening is, like there are kinds of teeth actually, stages wise. So, what are the kinds of stages of teeth actually? Most of them they don't know. Even I am not aware of that. So, I just want to ask you a question that what kind of stages of teeth are there, and how many kinds of stages of teeth? And the next one is, like, if a person crossed the age of 25 years, teeth will regrowth, like hair and all, like it's there, na?
Yes.
Like uska kuch hai kya? That will come back, right?
Yeah,
Or
see,
no?
this is a misnomer what people have. So basically what happens is, we as humans, we have two sets of teeth.
Okay.
One is the primary teeth or the milk teeth,
Okay.
which is usually there up till the age of 6.
Okay.
You get the eruption happens up till the age of 2.5 years,
Okay.
wherein all the kids have these milk teeth, which we say that they fall off after some time.
Okay.
Then once these milk teeth are there in the mouth, after the age of 6, your permanent set of teeth start erupting, which go
Okay.
from 6 years to 25 years.
Okay.
So majority of your teeth get erupted by the age of 12.
Okay.
Your wisdom teeth, which we know, which is a very common problem these days, everybody knows about it.
Okay. Even it grows it grows even after 35 also, sir.
It does
Is
not
it-
grow. The problem is the teeth is already there.
Okay.
Because there is discrepancy in the size of the jaw. The size of the jaw is lesser. The tooth
Okay.
does not erupt out.
Okay.
So later when it finds some space, it tries to come out. That's why they feel that pain at the age of 25 or 30, that it's the wisdom tooth trying to erupt out.
Okay.
At that age, it would not come out. If it
Okay.
would had to come out, it would have been out already.
Okay.
It will be stuck somewhere, and you need treatment at that stage.
Okay. So, like, there is only treatment to remove the teeth, or you have other kinds of methods, sir?
See, removal of the teeth is always the last option
Okay.
for any teeth, not only a wisdom teeth, not only your front teeth or anything. Removal of the teeth should be the last option, because
the last
conservation is
Okay.
most important of what was given to you by God.
Okay. Fine. Achha.
Okay, you do not go up till the stage that where you have to extract it. But in certain conditions, like if your wisdom teeth is cross,
Okay.
and it is damaging the front teeth, causing food accumulation,
Okay.
causing the front teeth to get decayed because of it, because you are not able to clean that area well because of the position.
Exactly.
Not that you are not doing it, but because
Okay.
of the position, you are not able to clean it well.
Yes.
So at that moment of time, you need to go in for the stage that it needs to be extracted.
Yes.
But if the tooth is straight, it's coming into the arch. There are
Okay.
many people who go in for an extraction of the wisdom teeth just because they've been advised
Yes.
that the wisdom teeth is there, you should get it removed. But if your wisdom teeth is in a correct position
Okay.
and it is not going to cause any problem to any other teeth,
No
you
need
can
of,
might as
uh,
well keep it.
No need of removal.
Nothing will happen.
Sir, like if we see advanced methods have come now. So most probably like what you have observed the changes in dental this thing.
See, we are finally into the era where dentistry has become nearly painless. So
Painless treatment is there.
Painless treatment is 100% there.
Okay.
Today are the needles, you get needleless injections
Okay.
wherein we can give your anesthesia without needles.
Okay.
Okay, so there's no prick to the patient.
Okay.
It's done through a pressurized syringe
Okay.
where only through the pressure the
Okay.
liquid is deposited inside the mucosa.
Okay.
And lasers are there, which is a
Okay.
bloodless, painless field.
Okay.
And otherwise we use cartridges. At least with me, I use cartridge syringes, so the
Okay.
needle is extremely thin. It's about 30 gauge.
Okay.
So it's quite painless.
Okay.
And usually if an anesthesia is profound, then the question of the pain arising is not much.
Okay.
And with the mechanized treatments coming now, even rotary root canals are there. You have disinfection of the root canal with lasers. These
Yes.
have only improved the quality of the treatment so that reinfections, chances of problems recurring don't happen.
Sir, very nice, and thank you very much for your valuable time. And when it comes to toothworks, you have been an outstanding advanced treatments actually. So like what you would like to tell all of the audience who are all watching, because all these Banjara Hills, Jubilee Hills and everyone, you know, they are more aware of these toothworks because you are doing the fantastic job actually. So what you would like to tell all of them actually?
I would just ask you to be healthy, stay healthy. Just take care of yourself. Please maintain your oral hygiene once, and please visit a dentist. Don't avoid visiting a dentist because neglect can always be expensive.
Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable time. So this is all exclusive interview with Varun Ahuja, sir. Thank you very much. Signing off, this is Peddikeshwar.
ఇలాంటి ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ వీడియోస్ కోసం తప్పకుండా మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.